Hi, parents. If you've ever walked away from a hard moment thinking, I ruined that, this video is for you. Not because you did something terrible, but because you care deeply about the relationship you're building. Most parents spend a lot of energy trying to get things right. The right tone, the right words, the right response at the right time. And when a moment goes badly, when voices rise, patience runs out, or connection breaks, the weight can feel heavy. You replay it. You wish you'd handled it differently. You wonder if that moment left a mark. Let's slow this fear down together. Because relationships aren't built on perfection. They're built on repair. Every close relationship includes moments of rupture, misunderstandings, missed cues, emotional distance. That's not failure. That's being human. What matters most is what happens after. When a parent comes back, not to explain, not to justify, but to reconnect, a powerful message is delivered. This relationship can stretch. This bond can hold mistakes. You don't lose me when things get hard. Children don't need a parent who never gets it wrong. They need a parent who knows how to return. Many adults carry pain, not because conflict happened, but because no one came back afterward. No one softened. No one acknowledged the break. No one said, I'm still here. Repair fills that gap. It teaches children that relationships aren't fragile. They're resilient. And this lesson doesn't come from lectures. It comes from lived experience. From seeing you pause, reflect, and move toward them again. For many parents, repair feels uncomfortable. It can feel like admitting failure, like giving up authority, like saying I wasn't enough. But repair isn't about blame. It's about safety. It tells a child when something breaks between us, it doesn't stay broken. That message shapes how they approach relationships later. They learn that conflict doesn't mean abandonment, that mistakes don't mean disconnection. They learn how to come back. If you grew up without repair, this may feel unfamiliar. You may have learned to move on without talking, to pretend things were fine, to carry distance quietly. So now, as a parent, returning after a rupture can feel awkward, or unnecessary, or scary. But here's the gentle truth. Repair doesn't weaken your role. It strengthens the bond. It doesn't erase boundaries. It makes them safer. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Timing matters less than sincerity. Children don't need a polished apology. They need presence. They need to feel that your care didn't disappear when things got messy. If today included a moment you wish you could redo, pause here with me. That moment is not the end of the story. The return, when it comes, is often what your child remembers most. You are not behind. You are not too late. Repair is always available. Every time you choose to come back into connection, you're teaching something lasting. You're teaching that love doesn't require perfection. It requires presence. I'm here with you. You don't have to get it right to build something strong. You just have to return. And we'll keep learning how to do that together.